Hello my dear students, welcome to your mathematics class with your Ashu ma'am. Dear students, as we all know that we have started unit 8 introduction to trigonometry, and till now we have done two questions of 8.1 exercise. Now today we will do question number 3 onwards. In this video we will discuss question number 3, 4 and 5. So let's start with the next three questions. So in this question number 3 we have given if sin A is equal to 3/4. If means अगर sin A की वैल्यू 3/4 है, calculate cos A and tan A. Means the trigonometric ratio is given to us. Dear students, in first two questions directly the sides are given to us, but now the two sides are given in the form of a trigonometric ratio. So let us start with this. So we have been given sin A is equal to 3/4 and we need to calculate cos A and tan A. So as I told you, always start with given part. We have been given the trigonometric ratio sin A is equal to 3/4. So let us start with sin A. Sin A is Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bhole Sona Chandi Tole. Sin is P/H. तो P/H ले लेंगे. But dear students, this is the ratio. और जब भी रेशो होती है, आई टोल्ड यू, हमें साथ में क्या लगाना होता है, हमें साथ में एक्स लगाना होता है. तो पिछले क्वेश्चंस में हमें डायरेक्टली साइड्स दी थी, बट इन दिस केस वी हैव बिन गिवन द टू साइड्स बट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ रेशो. इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ रेशो. एंड दिस इज़ अबाउट साइन ऑफ एंगल ए है, तो ए के अकॉर्डिंग ये परपेंडिकुलर है, मीन्स ए के अकॉर्डिंग दिस इज़ 3 and hypotenuse is always opposite to the 90-degree angle, so this is 4. This is perpendicular and this is hypotenuse, right? But as I told you, this is the ratio. तो ratio में साथ में क्या लगा दिया जाता है, कोई भी एक कांस्टेंट ले लिया करते हैं, 3k ले लें या x ले लें, जो मर्जी साथ में k, because these are not direct the sides. बट आप बेटा ये के लगाएं या ना नहीं भी लगाएंगे देन ऑल्सो इट इज़ ओके, बट बिकॉज द रेशियो इज़ गिवन टू अस यू मस्ट. ठीक है, तो नहीं भी अगर हम लगाते तब भी ये चल जाता है, विदाउट के भी अगर हम काम कर लेते हैं, बट दिस इज़ रेशियो. सो एज यू नो दैट फॉर कॉस वी नीड बेस बाय हाइपोटेन्यूज, दैट मीन्स बेस इज रिक्वायर्ड, दैट मीन्स ए बी साइड. एंड फॉर टैन ऑल्सो P by B, again base is required, means the third side is needed. And as I told you, we will start always with the Pythagoras theorem. So what is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square, and angle A के according the perpendicular is BC, so we will take BC square plus base will be the third side, AB square is equal to AC square. So BC is how much? 3k whole square plus AB we need to find out. AC is 4k square. ठीक है, तो जब भी रेशो दी होगी साथ में k लगा देना है. So this is 9k square plus AB square is equal to 16k square. k का स्केयर करना भूलना नहीं, and k square terms are like terms, so we will take them on one side. And by subtracting this we'll get 7k square, and when the square goes to other side this will become square root. So square root of 7 will remain root 7, but square of this root, this square and root will cancelled out, will get only k. तो k के ऊपर क्योंकि square और root cancel हो जाता है like this, तो k का root हट जाएगा, बट स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 7 सेम रहेगा क्योंकि 7 आगे फैक्टराइज नहीं होता. सो इन दिस वे वी विल गेट ए बी एज रूट 7k. सो नाउ एज आई टोल्ड यू द फर्स्ट स्टेप इज पाइथागोरस थ्योरम. यहाँ लिखेंगे भी बाय पाइथागोरस थ्योरम, राइट. नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द थिंग्स टू बी फाइंड आउट. द फर्स्ट इज वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट कॉस ए. सो लेट अस ए, अगेन सेम एंगल है तो परपेंडिकुलर और बेस चेंज नहीं होंगे. दिस इज बेस एंड द रेशियो फॉर कॉस इज बेस अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज. सो व्हाट इज बेस? इट इज रूट 7k and hypotenuse is 4k. So when you cancel out this k, you will get cos A is root 7 by 4. Similarly, second part, tan A. So tan A is equal to P by B, perpendicular by base. So perpendicular according to A angle, यहाँ भी A angle है तो A के according perpendicular is 3k upon base is root 7k. So you'll get 3 by root 7. So these will be the answers to the to be calculated parts. So I hope it is clear to you. Now dear students, question number 4. Given 15 cot A is equal to 8 and find sin A and secant A. So again this is given to us. So let us start with here. 15 cot A is equal to 8. Now again the ratio, trigonometric ratio is given to us but only numerator. But there is a number which is getting multiplied by cot. So when it goes to other side, it will, by cross multiplication, it will become the denominator. So cot A is equal to 8 by 15. Now the question has become similar to question number 3. Let us compare cot. Cot is the reciprocal of tan. So cot will be base by perpendicular. So it will be base by perpendicular. So and according to A angle, now I have taken this angle as A. This will be the perpendicular and this is hypotenuse is always fixed as I told you, and the third side left will be the base. So according to A angle, base perpendicular is 15. So I'll mark this as 15k. साथ में k ले लेंगे because again the ratio is there. And base is 8. Base will be 8k. So let us again use Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, what do we write? Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square upon base square. So we will take perpendicular means BC square plus base AB square is equal to AC square. So this is 15k whole square plus AB is 8k square is equal to hypotenuse AC square. This we have to find out. This will be 225k square plus 64k square is equal to 8. Both are k square terms. So let us calculate them as 24 plus 225 is 289k square. And when square goes to other side, it will become square root. And by solving the square root of 289, you will see this is the square of 17 and k ka square root se cancel. So 17k is the third side means hypotenuse, which you can see is greater than perpendicular and base. Now let us focus on the to be find out part. First is sin A. So sin A from ratio is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So now focus on angle A. Same angle is given to us which is mentioned in the given part. तो वो same angle है उसका वो ही perpendicular रहेगा. 15k upon hypotenuse will be 17k which is fixed. That is 15 by 17 is the value for sin A. And now secant A, second part is secant A. Secant is reciprocal of cos, so it will be h by b, means hypotenuse by base. So hypotenuse is 17k and base according to angle A, this is perpendicular, so this will be the base. तो base क्या हो जाएगा 8k. So from here you will get the value as 17 by 8. So in this way you can solve this question. And now question number 5 is exactly similar, dear students. Try the question yourself. Now question number 5. Given secant theta is 13 by 12. The ratio is given to us. Calculate all other trigonometric ratios. So one ratio is given to us. We have to find out other. Total how many ratios are there? 6. Out of which this ratio is given to us and we need to find out other 5. So same step, Pythagoras theorem, take a right triangle, mark this angle or this as theta. If this is angle theta, then side opposite to this is perpendicular, side opposite to 90 degrees hypotenuse, and the third left side will be the base, right? So now we have hypotenuse and base because secant theta is h by b, right? So if it is h by b, let us find out the perpendicular by Pythagoras theorem. So perpendicular square AB square we need to find out, plus BC is 12k square is equal to AC is 13k square, right? So AB square plus 144k square is equal to 169k square. So AB square is equal to, take the like terms to right hand side, both are k square terms, it will be 25k square, and when this square goes to other side, it will become square root, it will be 25 is the square of 5 and k square root get cancelled out, so AB will be 5k, means the perpendicular is 5k. Now what they said, find out all other trigonometric ratios, means sine, cos, tan, cosecant and cot. So let us start finding out. So very first is sine theta. They have used angle theta, so we will take angle theta. It is perpendicular by hypotenuse. So according to angle theta, we have marked perpendicular, base and hypotenuse. So perpendicular is 5k upon hypotenuse is 13k. So k से k cancel, the value is 5 by 13. Similarly, cos theta is b by h. And as you can see, cos is reciprocal of secant, तो हम इसी का उल्टा भी लिख सकते हैं, 12 by 13 भी लिख सकते हैं, या पुट करेंगे तो भी सेम ही आएगा, because base is 12k, hypotenuse is this, so 12 by 13. Then third trigonometric ratio is tan theta. So tan theta, from here we have perpendicular upon base. So according to theta, base is 12k upon base, perpendicular is 5k and base is 12k. So you will get 5 by 12. Then fourth, cosecant theta, fourth ratio, cosecant theta is h by p. सो एच बाई पी यहाँ से वैल्यू पुट करें, ये साइन का उल्टा होता है तो ये भी हम कर सकते हैं, मीन्स 13k इज़ एच बाई पी इज़ 5k. सो यूल गेट 13 by 5. देन फिफ्थ रेशियो इज लेफ्ट इज कॉट, बिकॉज दिस इज गिवन टू अस. सो कॉट थीटा इज इक्वल टू बी बाई पी इज इक्वल टू बेस इज 12k अपॉन p is 5k. So 12 by 5. So these are the answers. And cot is reciprocal of tan. तो आप देख रहे हो ये 5 by 12 था, तो ये 12 by 5 है. So in this way, dear students, you can do this question. So that's all for now. Thank you. And if you like my videos, share my videos to your friends, comment on the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.